If you want your WordPress website to really stand out, adding animated header text is one of the best ways to instantly grab a visitor's attention and showcase your message in a dynamic way. By the end of this tutorial, you're going to know exactly how to add eye-catching animated headings to any page or section using the modern block editor, all without slowing down your site or needing to touch a line of code. Let's get right into it. First up, we'll need a plugin that helps us create animated text blocks in Gutenberg, since the default WordPress editor doesn't include this feature out of the box. The great news is, in 2026, there are several lightweight and reliable plugins purpose-built just for this. Head to your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, and click on Add New. Now, in the search bar, you can type in names like Nexter Blocks, Greenshift, or Animated Text Block. These are some of the most popular, trusted options. Once you've chosen one that looks good to you, just click Install and then Activate. Don't worry, these plugins are designed to keep your site fast, so you won't be bogged down by unnecessary code. With your plugin activated, you're ready to start adding some animation magic. Open up the page or post where you want your animated header to appear. In the editor, click the little plus sign in the corner to add a new block. Start typing animated heading or animated text. The specific block name might differ depending on your plugin, but you'll see it pop up in the search results. Click to add it to your page. If this is your first time adding blocks, just take a moment to look around. Gutenberg's block system makes it easy to rearrange and customize everything visually. Once your animated heading block is in place, you'll see a few content fields, usually a prefix, an animated text area, and a suffix. Let's unpack that. The prefix and suffix sections are for any text you want to keep static, sort of like bookends for your main animated message. Maybe you want your heading to read "We specialize in prefix," and then rotate through words like design, development, or support, animated, ending with "for you" suffix. It's a small detail, but it makes your text both readable and eye-catching. Don't worry if you're not sure exactly what to type here. You can update this anytime and preview how it looks instantly. Here, where the fun really starts. Styling your animation. With the block selected, look to the right-hand settings sidebar. This is where you can choose different animation types like typing, clip, flip, or zoom. Typing animates your text as though it's being typed out letter by letter, great for a techie or modern feel. Flip rotates words or phrases like cards turning over, while zoom can make important text pop toward the viewer. Feel free to experiment here. You'll see a live preview as you make changes, so pick an effect that fits your brand's vibe. Remember, subtle animations are often more engaging than flashy ones. Just choose what feels natural for your visitors. For those using full site editing themes, which is basically every new WordPress theme in 2026, you can take things even further. Instead of adding your animated header to just a single page, you can put it directly into your site's global header template. Just go to Appearance, then Editor, and select your header template. Add the animated block here, and your attention-grabbing text will appear on every page where that header is used. This is super handy if you want a consistent message site-wide, like a tagline or a key marketing phrase. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned to make your WordPress site more lively and memorable with animated headers using easy-to-use block plugins. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like, drop a comment below if you have any questions or need help picking a plugin, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical WordPress tips and tricks. Good luck animating your site. I can't wait to see what you create.